it up. Ta-da! Yeah. You're so happy you finished it? Is that your little dance? Just remember, good winners are careful, right? You're done. Great job.
I'm done.
You did a good job on that puzzle. How many pieces are on that puzzle? Count your pieces. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Whoa! 13? Are you sure? That's an uneven number. Should we try it again? Let's count one more time. 1.
Not 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.